what I want to do is I'm going to do the same thing where we kind of start doing things, start downloading stuff while I'm doing lecture. So now, how many of you have get your GitHub desktop installed? If not, that's the next thing we got to download. So. So download GitHub desktop. Yeah. Yeah, just Git is fine. It's just sometimes Git's a pain in the butt on Windows, specifically Windows. For Mac, you can just do brew install Git. No, command line Git is a pain in the butt on Windows. You're fake news. Yeah. So if you already have Git installed, then what you can do, run. Let's see. So on that same repo, run. So I'll post this to the meetup as well. So clone skymindo/pipelines. I posted the comment on the meetup as well if you want that. If you can't see that, just go to the meetup link. It's the last one, github.com/skymindo/pipelines. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to use this to. What we're actually going to do is we're going to run another thing people can do is you can also just go to. We're going to use a particular branch. So branch. Branch. Uh-oh, GitHub broken? Is anyone on Wi-Fi? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. You can just go to branch, helm, click this, and I think we can just download it as a zip, right? That should work. Come on. Yeah, let me just double check that. If you can't clone it, you should just be able to download it as a zip file too.
No, we can't clone.
You can
Yeah.
clone or download. There we go. Ah, yeah. So if you want, I just learned it's not safe to assume anything. So just in case, you can go to clone or download and just download zip as well. So if you don't know, if you don't know Git basics, like how to switch branches, then just do download. Just click that switch to branch, and then click download zip. That should work. Preferably if you can use Git or Git desktop, GitHub desktop, try to use that though.
When you use Git, you want to use HTTPS. That's HTTPS.
Ah, yeah. Sorry. That is also true. Oh! Watch it. Hold on. Okay. Susanna was right. Susanna was right. Stability. No, I don't think anything broken. Let's see. Uh-oh. Alright. Wait. Yeah, yep, that's what I was gonna do. Okay, yep. Okay, yep. Okay. Yeah. Is the HTML? Searching all sources. In the meantime, just like I said, just go to the meetup. Just go to the meetup. Just go to Schema.io/pipelines. And clone that. There we go. That's one. Okay. Okay. And then what you should see if you're on this branch is we're going to be in the we're going to be playing around in the Docker folder. So again, just make sure you're on that branch though. So you can literally just do git clone and then that URL I put in the comments. And then if you've never switched branches before, so you see, just do git checkout and then helm, something like that, like this. So after you do git clone, do git checkout. I'll give people a few minutes to do that. So it's literally two steps. It's git clone and git checkout. So if you're so it's going to vary depending on what whether you're using GitHub desktop or whether you're using command line. So again, the meetup link or the meetup has the exact URL. You can just do git clone that link and then just git checkout helm. Yep. I know, but you're supposed to do git branch. It should just be here. Just do literally. That's why I said it's literally just those two steps. Nothing else. We need some. So, two steps. Get checkout. So git checkout, HELM. How are we doing? Did you have to do it for a remote branch? It should clone. No, it should get everything unless it's a shell check. Unless you do a shell checkout, it should grab every branch. Generally, that's why it should just be git checkout. Yeah, it's git checkout HELM. Yeah, that's yeah, that should be. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so yeah, just git checkout helm. That's all you need to do. Two steps: git clone, git checkout. Anyone over here need help? Okay, that's fine. Just go to Docker, check the Docker folder, just check the breakout. Go to Docker, the Docker folder, Visual Studio. Fiesta. Go to Docker. No, the Docker folder in the project. The Docker folder. Should be, yeah, you're good. Yeah. All right. We all good? Okay. Okay, so why are we doing all this? You're about to learn that. So let me go into what we're going to do first for people. So if you haven't used it before, this is IntelliJ. There's also the Python version called PyCharm. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to post this link just so people can follow along. I'll do the same thing. I'll do it on the meetup page, just because that's easier. Yeah, so again, this will all be on the meetup page. So just go there, and then we'll go to this exact file. Okay. So I'm going to focus just on this part for now. Actually, y'all might like this. So this is called Docker Compose. So Docker Compose allows you to set up a whole set of containers all at once. So if you ever wondered, like, how do I set up elk stack in one command? This is how you do it. You can set up any arbitrary system like this. Docker Compose. Yeah, so basically the idea behind containers is that one container represents generally one application. One application is one model. One application also can be Jupyter though. So what I'm going to show you how to do, I'm actually going to show you how to build Docker containers from scratch. So what we're going to do is keep this file in reference, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to another folder. So in here, I'll just go to. So if you're in the Docker folder, go to not that one. Okay, so make sure you're in the Docker folder. Everyone go to the Docker folder in the pipelines folder. So it's just pipelines, Docker. Make sure you're in here first. So next, trust me, you'll be able to, no matter what, you'll be able to reuse this later. Whenever you hear about how to package a container, this is actually how you build a custom container. You'll be able to reuse this no matter what technology you're using. It also gives you access to TensorFlow serving and a bunch of other stuff if you decide you want to use these things. You only got to learn this once. It's a pain at first, but you're going to get a curated example of like how do you set all this up, right? Because normally this is a rabbit hole for people and they don't know what to focus on. So make sure you're in the Docker folder, and then once you're in there, we're going to go to pipelines of conduct. So CD pipelines of conduct. So what's in here? Just a Docker file. That's all that's in here. Just a Docker file. This is all you need. So what does this Docker file have in it? Not much. All it does is it has a series of commands for running, for basically creating a Linux distribution with your application in it. That's all it does. So in here, you'll notice there's this from Jupyter base notebook. Jupyter, the Jupyter project actually publishes Docker images. and they call them Docker stacks. So they have all sorts of pre-configured libraries with a Jupyter notebook and a whole development environment ready to go. So you don't need to do anything. So this is just one of their base images. So what I'm going to do is we're going to build an image that basically has the base notebook in here, and also has the base notebook also has Anaconda pre-installed in it. The Anaconda Python distribution. That's all pre-built. So you don't have to install all that. So you'll get, if you just want to run the base notebook, you'll get Jupyter and Conda for free, just with one Docker pull. And then you just set it up and you're good to go. So that's your baseline, right? And then when you want to do something more, then what you do is you extend. You do some. It's basically kind of like if you're programming and you've ever done object-oriented programming, it's like inheritance. You extend a file, and then you basically add your modifications to the build. So what you're getting here